In minutes, you will taste the best dinner of your life. Let's start by cutting 700 grams of chicken breast into small pieces. The ideal size is cubes, as it allows the seasoning to penetrate better and ensures even cooking. Transfer the chicken to a large bowl, season with black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 80 milliliters of olive oil to make the dish flavorful and juicy. Mix everything with your hands or a spoon. Now slice 2 red onions into very thin strips, as I am doing here. The taste of red onions caramelizes deliciously. In a skillet, add a bit of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it melt, and when the mixture is nice and hot, add the chicken. Fry the chicken for a few minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure it cooks evenly. The smell will start to fill your kitchen, and that's just the beginning. When the chicken is starting to brown, add the onions we sliced. Stir well and let everything fry together, allowing the chicken and onions to mix and intensify the flavors. The result will be mouth-watering. After a few minutes, transfer the chicken and onions to a serving dish. And let's prepare the egg mixture that will make this recipe even creamier. In a bowl, add 3 whole eggs. Season with black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk the eggs well until they are thoroughly mixed. Now, add 100 milliliters of heavy cream and continue stirring until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Finally, add some chopped green onions to the egg mixture and stir again. Now, pour all this creamy mixture over the chicken in the dish and spread it evenly to cover the chicken. Cover the entire dish with aluminum foil. Place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. While it's baking, slice a tomato into thin slices like I'm doing here. The tomato will add freshness and a touch of acidity to the recipe. Oh, and don't forget to grate 150 grams of mozzarella cheese. When the 30 minutes are up, remove the dish from the oven and take off the aluminum foil. Now, distribute the tomato slices evenly on top of the chicken. Cover everything with the mozzarella cheese. It will melt, making everything even more delicious. Return it to the oven for another 7 minutes, and done. Your recipe is ready to serve. To add the finishing touch, sprinkle some parsley on top. It's a wonderful combination of flavor and appearance. Now, just serve and enjoy this delicious meal, perfect for a healthy and tasty lunch with that creamy touch everyone loves. So, what do you think of this recipe? Are you going to try it at home? Comment below and tag a friend who will love it too. And of course, don't forget to follow our page for more amazing recipes like this one. See you next time.